So I'm downtown here at the Hall of Justice, where Los Angeles County District Attorney D.A. Gascón just announced his sentencing recommendation for the Menendez brothers, who killed their parents in 1989. Basically, he is recommending a resentencing and that they be eligible for parole immediately. But that doesn't mean that they're actually going to get out scot-free just yet, or maybe not at all, depending on whether a judge rules on the case, which is supposed to happen tomorrow. The DA also wanted to hear this case now and not in November, which does call into question the November 5th election and whether or not he plans to win or lose his re-election, which does not look likely at this time. The DA said that he basically made his decision based on a review of prison files when considering his resentencing. He believed that both Lyle and Eric Menendez could be rehabilitated based on the changes that they had made and the impacts they had made on the lives of others, but he wouldn't specifically go into what programs that they learned where they were able to, as he would say, make a difference for other people in their lives. Now, they've been in prison for over, I think, 35 years is what he said. The prison files were part of the review when considering resentencing, and they believed that, based on what they found, that both of these murderers could be rehabilitated, causing the question the moral aspect of this case, because murdering your parents does not seem to be a trivial thing. It is a very, very serious crime. They were 19 and 21 when the murders were committed. The DA says that he understands that people get desperate, and if you get desperate enough to kill your parents, I guess that's now subject for review, at least under this administration. But the DA believes that after 35 years in prison that they paid their debt to society, and that what he is asking for is a resentencing for life with the possibility of parole, which the original sentence suggested life with no possibility of parole. Again, the case will be in court tomorrow, where a judge has to agree with D.A. Gascón's resentencing decision. Because of all the things they have done to improve the life of somebody else, whomever that is, we don't know yet. He says that they should be given a chance, and this is something that he wants to do. The DA also emphasized that other victims who want to come forward because of sexual abuse have a chance to be heard by this office. He says that there are no strings, and there's unconditional situation if someone wants to come forward to report a crime and bring charges against an offender, or if you committed a murder and have been a victim of sexual violence of some sort, and that this created a psychological condition of some sort that would cause you to harm yourself and others in this way, that the DA would consider looking at these types of cases. So should the brothers be given a chance, eligibility of parole? Well, we look at Leslie Van Houten in the Charles Manson case. The parole board can make that decision. It remains to be seen what happens. I did conduct a poll on Twitter where the majority of people actually did believe that the Menendez brothers should be given consideration. So we'll see what happens. From the Hall of Justice, I'm Alex Datig with Front Page Index, Politics for You.